Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 29 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in your competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, this was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, which state got first rank in PM SPA Nidhi scheme? Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, or option D, West Bengal? The answer here is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh has secured the first rank in PM Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme by approving the highest number of loans in this scheme. Okay, our second question was, which bank shut down its operation in Sri Lanka? SBI, ICICI, PNB, or option D, HDFC Bank? The answer here is ICICI Bank. Recently, ICICI Bank shut down its operation in Sri Lanka after getting approval from the Sri Lankan Monetary Authority. The headquarters of the ICICI Bank is situated in Mumbai, and Sandeep Bakshi is the CEO of ICICI Bank. I hope you got the facts also now. First question of the today's session is, when International Animation Day is observed? 26 October, 27 October, 28 October, or option D, 29 August? The correct answer here is 28 October. On 28 October every year International Animation Day is observed. Okay, and this year it is the 19th International Animation Day. It is started since 2002. Remember, an International Animation Day started from 2002. Next question, who has decided to establish anti-human trafficking police station? Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, or option D, West Bengal? The answer here is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government has decided to establish anti-human trafficking police station in each and every district because it is a major step towards the security of women and children. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is in news. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Lucknow is situated in the river bank of Gomati Nadi, Gomati River. Okay, Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next question, who participated in the 6th BRICS Parliamentary Forum from India? Smriti Irani, Amit Shah, Om Birla, option D, none of these. If you identify the image here, the answer here is option C, Om Birla. Recently, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla participated in the 6th BRICS Parliamentary Forum. Okay, Parliamentary Forum. BRICS is news. The member countries are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Okay. Next question, in which city third India-US ministerial dialogue begin? New Delhi, London, New York, option D, none of these. The answer here is our capital, New Delhi. India is hosting the third India-US 2+2 ministerial dialogue which begins in Delhi. Okay, and our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and our External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar participated in this forum or in this meeting. Okay. Next question, Aditya Puri retired from MD and CEO of which bank? ICICI, SBI, HDFC, or option D, IDBI Bank? Answer here is option C, HDFC Bank. Recently, Aditya Puri, the MD and CEO of HDFC Bank, recently retired after serving 25 years. After serving 25 years in his career. Okay. You can see the image of Aditya Puri here. Question number 6. Louis Acre has been chosen as president of which country? Bolivia, Zimbabwe, Oman, or option D, Israel? The answer here is option A, Bolivia. Recently, Luis Arce has been chosen as the president of Bolivia. He captured about 55.1% vote in the country. Okay, and the capital of Bolivia is La Paz. La Paz is the capital, and currency is Boliviano. Remember, Boliviano is the currency of Bolivia. You can see the image of the President Luis here. Okay, next question. Who has inaugurated the direct port entry facilities? Hardeep Singh Puri, Om Birla, Mansukh Mandavia, option D, Narendra Modi. The answer here is option C, Mansukh Mandavia. Union Minister of State for Shipping Mansukh Mandavia has inaugurated the direct port entry facility in Chindambanar Port, Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is in Tamil Nadu. Inaugurated the direct port entry facility in Tamil Nadu. You can see the image of the Union Minister of State for Shipping Mansukh Mandavia here. Okay. Next question. Government of India set up committee to commemorate which anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur? 200, 400, 500, or option D, 100? The answer here is 400. Okay, so option B is correct here. The center has set up a high-level committee headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to commemorate the 400th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Tegh Bahadur, you can see here the Guru Tegh Bahadur 400th birth anniversary. Next question. Who has launched 2 Centers of Excellence for Tribal Affairs? Narendra Modi, Arjun Munda, Prakash Javadekar, or option D, Narayan Singh? As per you see the image of Arjun Munda here, the option correct answer here is option B, Arjun Munda. The Union Tribal Minister Arjun Munda has launched the 2 Centers of Excellence for Tribal Affairs. Okay. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, who has BART payment system operators launching any new QR codes? Who has BART payment systems operator launching any QR code? The answer here is Reserve Bank of India. Option A is correct here. RBI. Okay. Recently, the RBI has BART payment system operator PSOs. BART PSO from launching any new proprietary QR code for payment transition. Okay, RBI is news. Reserve Bank of India, established in 1935. Firstly, the headquarters is in Kolkata, but recently the headquarters is in Mumbai. Shaktikant Das is the governor of RBI, and Shaktikant Das is the 25th governor of RBI. Remember it. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who tops in the Forbes list of World's Best Employer 2020? Our second question is, Alpha Conde appointed as president of which country? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And if you first visit Educational Wing, must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.